friend Rob
Amelia just said that you talked
No,
to your mouth
it's not
full.
about smacking. It was just like
what was getting on his nerves?
I don't think anything was getting on his
He's gonna take off
nerves.
his shoe and
I think it was just he doesn't like messes, and I was messy.
You talk with your mouth full.
Yes.
Smack.
Do I smack?
When you're talking with your mouth full, you can't avoid it.
They're coming in the window.
Did you in the room? Not one.